Okay, we're back. It's December 4th, 2017, and we have 150 packs of the brand new Tim Hortons. Oh my God! Of the brand new Canadian Tire Team Canada hockey cards. They just came out on December 1st of this year. They're only running them until December 28th. And we were lucky enough to get two very sympathetic Canadian Tire managers to allow us to buy these 3 boxes. Now, interesting enough, we're going to start opening them now. Okay, so let's just start opening them now. Interesting enough, interesting story here. I'm going to go through all the cards after they open. So here's Colin opening, and I've got my wife and my older son opening as well.
Should I show you the cards, Dad?
Yeah, we'll go through them. Let's get them open and then we'll go through them, me and you.
Instead of...
Nice. Connor's got some good pulls already, I can see that.
Instead of...
So interesting enough, the one Canadian Tire store that I went to, I won't mention where it is because I don't want to get the manager in trouble. When I went there, she said I'm only allowed to buy 5 packages. So only 5 of these packages are you allowed to buy at that one Canadian Tire store at any given time. And she took pity on me and she said, okay, because there was a sign on one of the these here saying you're only allowed to buy 48 packs at any given time. I showed that to her and she goes, okay, that's a mistake, but because of that she allowed me to buy one box, sealed box, from the back where they had several boxes of them. And then when I went to the second Canadian Tire,
oh, look at this, Dad.
the second Canadian Tire, the manager had no problem. She said you can buy 2 boxes, 3 boxes, 4 boxes. She says I don't care how many boxes you buy. You can buy as many as you want.
Here's another air to the ice.
Yeah, those are quite good. So, you know, there you go. It really depends. And with the first Canadian Tire, I had to purchase something.
Clear cut!
I had to purchase something on. Nice.
And instead of being 5,
Oh, this is a junior too. This is a Team Canada Junior.
Are they
Yes?
rare?
Yeah, those are rare. Yeah. Here's another air to the ice.
And instead of being 3 cards per pack, it's 5 cards per pack.
Yeah, 5 cards per pack.
Tire ones.
$1.99 each pack plus tax. And as I said, are there any codes inside these?
No.
Can I see?
Checked, there's none.
Can you show me one, please?
See, look, there's no code in it.
No codes. Oh, too bad.
Unlike the Tim Hortons ones, that's the only downside.
So I paid. Oh, I'm gonna not show the Canadian Tire. Anyways, I paid. Yeah. Oh, we got 2 other ones here. Connor just pulled. Canada versus USA. Patrick Kane, nice. And I uploaded the and printed off the.
Oh my goodness, Randy McDonald.
Yeah, they've got some old ones coming up in here.
Look at Daryl Sittler.
Yeah, Daryl Sittler's here.
Wow.
And oh, well, look at this. He's got Vachon.
Look, it's different. It says canvas on it.
What? Really? Oh, that feels so cool.
Yeah.
I think this is when they call the Team Canada Canvas.
Yeah.
Ryan Getzlaff. Wow. Yeah, you're right. They feel.
Feels different.
Feels different. They have some kind of hard plastic on it. Yeah. Where's Daryl Sittler? There he is. So I paid $109.
Oh, I got another canvas. Oh, wow.
Let's see. Wow, this is from You're on My Time, Mommy.
Oh, Phil Esposito.
Yeah,
wow.
Phil Esposito canvas.
Wow.
Nice.
That's why it's canvas, because it's so old. See, we got another Daryl Sittler. Oh, and I've got...
It's just a base card.
Here's another canvas.
Oh my God, you guys are getting some great pulls. Drew Dougherty. Yeah, they feel really cool.
Oh, versus. Canada versus Germany. Yeah, look, versus.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, that's one of the inserts. Oh, careful! I think Connor just cut himself.
I got another Phil Esposito.
Wait, Dad, look. Lanny McDonald.
Yeah, we have him already. Can you get me that list that I left in the office? I printed. Hi, Konya.
Okay.
Yeah, because how many different,
Yeah, there's 100,
Sets.
100 base cards, and then 60. What? Crazy dog. First he's wagging his tail, now he's all freaked out.
Doug Gilmore.
There's Dougie Gilmore in
Dougie.
canvas. Nice. Yeah, they feel nice too.
Gotta make sure that the empty packages don't have cards underneath.
Yeah. So anyways, it cost me $300 to
Here's
get,
the checklist.
thank you, here's the checklist. Yeah, I downloaded this checklist from the Canadian Tire website. Oh, here's a Connor McDavid.
Oh, wow.
Oh, what is, oh, this is, what do they call it, Peachy?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, Peachy? Yeah.
Much like these O-Peachies.
Yeah. So they've got several different cool sets here. So yeah, I've got this this checklist from their website, and they've got all the cards. There's pages and pages of them.
Yeah, here's another one of these.
There's another one of the verses. Nice.
Wow.
So you guys are opening them up really quick. So we'll go through them. And this way they know they're all opened at the same time. So yeah, they got Air to the Ice, short print. Oh, that's what it's called, short prints. What is a short print anyways? Does anybody know what a short print is?
Leave it in the comments.
Leave it in the comments. Tell us what a short print is. So I understand the base set, that's fine. 100 cards for base sets. So they're saying short prints is part of the base, but it's 40 extra cards. No, sorry, 60 extra cards. And then you've got insert sets, of course. Yeah, the canvas, we know. We're getting a few of them now.
Here's
It's
another
40
Air to Ice.
45 of those. Here's another Air to
Oh,
Ice.
this one. Frank.
Mahavlich.
Mahavlich.
That's old. That's an old card.
Oh yeah, old Frank Mahavlich. This is a base card, actually.
Is he still around?
I forgot. Is Frank Mahavlich still alive? Let us know in the comments,
He
please.
is. He's pretty old.
He must be in his 80s by now.
Yeah.
So yeah, short prints, clear cut program of excellence. You got one clear cut, right, Colin? So
Yeah,
far?
we've only
Yeah.
seen one.
Oh yeah, you got the juniors. Oh, well, look at that. There's only 10 cards in the juniors in the clear cuts. So you got one of the 10 cards already.
Wow.
That's really rare. Really rare.
Wait. Another canvas. Another canvas.
Oh, another canvas. Connor McDavid.
Oh.
Nice. Oh. Oh, oh my God, you got a signature card! Oh my God! You got a signature card! Ah! Ah, you got a signature card!
Oh my god.
Oh my God, you got a signature card! Oh my God! What an amazing pull! Oh my God, I can't pronounce this guy's name.
How many signature cards are there?
There's a list, the checklist is there on them. Oh my God! Signature card, that's the first we ever got in our lives. Oh my God, that's amazing pull, Connor.
Wow.
And you see, he didn't want to even do it. Oh my God, signature.
Oh my god.
Which one is this? Let me check it on the,
Oh my god.
it's on the list, insert versus signatures, yeah. Oh my
A
gosh.
signature.
That's our very first one.
Look at this. This is an old
Another
Mark
canvas.
Messier. Look, really old one. Mark Messier.
Oh yeah, I remember him. This is the
Oh,
old
look at this
Peachy.
PK Subban.
Yeah, hold on, let me see that.
Connor, you just put the cards in with the garbage.
Yeah, I don't put the cards in the garbage. Let me see the one, the Messier? Or PK Subban, yeah.
I don't know where Messier went. He's in this pile somewhere now.
Wow.
Nice pulls. We're gonna have to go through all these.
I can't believe we got a signature.
Signature card. Nice.
Oh,
I can't even pronounce Anthony. People are gonna make fun of me. Bouvier? No.
Beauvillier.
Bouvier. Yeah. Nice.
who? Oh,
Another Air to the Ice.
not a signature one though.
Max
Max
Domi.
Domi. Yeah, we know him.
How many signatures are there?
Oh, look.
Well, there's pages and pages.
Mario.
Mario Lemieux. This is a base card. There's pages and pages of the signature cards. It's like, I don't know, over 100. I didn't even get a chance to go through them all. There's so many signature
Look
cards.
at this!
What is this? Is this one of those short prints or something? I don't know. It looks like a base card though. Yeah, here's another one. Yeah, these ones are base. Yeah, yeah, these ones I've seen on the list.
Empty.
So one box empty. So that's about.
Boxes.
That's about. So yeah, these are the boxes that come in. They're not like the boxes from Tim Hortons. So yeah, $1.99, and they're crammed in here quite nicely. You can find them at the cashier desk, but the manager told me to go to the sports desk to pick up the two boxes that she just laid out there. She said they were fresh boxes, so she was quite nice to tell me that. To go and buy them there in the sports area, right, Colin?
Yeah. Oh, another versus.
So another versus.
That's
Vladimir Tashenko. Oh, and Connor's got another canvas. Hold on a sec, Connor.
How many canvases are there?
It's in the list. I don't remember now. How many canvases? Oh, Doug Gilmore. Didn't we get it? Oh, it's a double already. Here's another canvas. Taylor Hall. Nice. These are nice cards. These are actually even nicer than Tim Hortons in some sense. So definitely we're going to have some doubles for you here. I know that people are going crazy and buying them all over the place in Canada now too. Now that even though there was hardly any marketing for these cards, it's sort of more discovered online, and now people are jumping into Canadian Tire to grab these cards.
Lanny McDonald.
Yeah. Oh my God, that's an old photograph too.
Yeah.
Oh, come on!
So yeah, they're
We
finding.
got a signature.
Yeah, that's the first one. That's nice. Finland. So yeah, there was hardly any. Another canvas.
I thought I had.
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh, I got a canvas too. I got a canvas too.
Original. These are nice cards.
Is that his name? Matt
Oh, look.
Dutchney?
Bobby Hull.
Wow. That goes back to our time. Let me see Bobby Hall. Yeah, this is a base card, but still. See, he's not wearing a helmet.
Yeah, back then they didn't wear mouth guards or helmets. They ended up losing teeth, having broken noses.
Oh,
Oh,
another
yeah.
canvas.
Let's see. Nice. It's not only the canvases too. Right? Oh,
here's
Guy
another-
Lafleur.
That's
Wow.
another Lanny.
Yeah, good boy.
Lanny McDonald.
Oh, okay.
He's an old
Nice.
timer.
Ah,
See, this says upper deck. Do they all say upper deck?
yes.
Okay.
So there was one guy, I forgot his name, EZ or whatever his name is. He said that he was forced to buy 23 69-cent cans of cat food before they would allow him to buy 27 packs of these cards. I'm like, well, the manager let me buy all these packs without any purchase except I bought 2 packs of
Have we seen this one?
2 packages of potato chips, and the second one I didn't have to buy anything, just the
Alex
cards.
Ovechkin. Canada versus Russia.
Yeah, that's a versus. It's nice. Oh, has he got a scar on his face there?
Another Lanny. We've got we've got different Lannys, so look.
Oh, they're different
Yeah.
covers for them.
It's just a close-up of the same picture, though.
Yeah, well, this is the canvas one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, the canvas.
Did you just get this canvas one?
Yeah.
Nice. Annie McDonald.
Stuck.
Okay, so we'll have to go through these. What? What? Another signature card! Anthony Mentha? Oh my god, I can't pronounce his name!
How come Colin's someone who gets?
What do you mean? Connor got one.
Oh, sorry. Did Connor get one?
Yeah, Connor got the first one. Another signature card.
One.
Nice. Has it right on it there. Is that his actual signature, or is it just like, I don't even want to touch it?
I'm sure it's a replica of
a
the
yeah.
signature.
Or is it his actual signature on that card?
I doubt it.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. That's
This
nice.
is so crazy.
Let's see, Mommy doesn't care less. So many cards.
Oh, Patrick Roy. Oh my gosh.
Another canvas.
Patrick Waugh.
Or Patrick Ross.
Morgan Riley.
Can't pronounce it very well.
No,
Oh, that's a cool picture.
What?
Patrick Roy.
Where? Patrick Waugh.
Oh,
It's
Patrick.
French.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, your Mommy's right, yeah. I'm
I
sure
didn't
everybody
realize
will.
he was French.
Did we get this guy before?
No, I don't think so.
Here's an
Let's
old
go through.
timer.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Where's the other signature card?
I think they call this
all
the
buried.
short, what do they call it again?
The seniors?
No, it's a different series. They're the collectors, they know all these series and these checklists.
Oh, Canada versus USA.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, we won against USA a few times.
Yes.
And the Americans were very mad to get silver. They were not happy at all.
Americans, if they don't get gold, they don't want any.
Yeah. Oh, another canvas from Connor. Joe Thornton. Wow, these are good pulls.
Another Mike Smith.
Okay, I think that's a base card. What do they call those other ones? No, I keep thinking baseball, shortstop. I got that in my head, I don't know why. Short prints or print, I forgot what it's called. I have to look at the list.
Sweden.
These are all new to me.
Yes.
Oh yeah, we have that one already, Connor. That one's a double. So definitely we're gonna have some trades here.
Yeah, we've had a few.
Please leave some comments once you've seen all these cards, which ones you need, and we will do some trading for you. Because we're gonna have some doubles here for a lot. Another canvas from Connor.
Wow.
Connor McDavid. I think that's our second one, you know.
Oh, another silver. Hair to the ice.
Sam Bennett. Yeah. Did you say hair? It's air.
Air. Sorry.
Pronounce the H.
Mitch Marner. How many we have left?
Not many.
Look at all these packs. Oh my god.
What's
Wow.
like?
Okay, you know what, Mommy? We're gonna have to do editing because there's no way I can go through all these.
No kidding.
There's so many cards.
Oh, look at this cab.
Let's see. Oh, this is a different canvas, yeah.
Canvas.
Paul Coffey. Yeah, they feel cool too.
I know. Just like the old days cards. I think that's what they're supposed to feel like.
Like the old days cards.
Yeah. Whoops. Nothing.
Lots of base cards, of course.
Some of the packs I'm opening are just base cards.
A lot of them are just base cards.
Yeah, well, you expect that, right? Oh, sorry.
Can't believe we got 2 signature cards.
That's cool.
That's insane.
Where are they? Did we lose them already?
Oh, they're under the pile somewhere.
Everybody's gonna be freaking out. I can't believe that you're just letting it sit in the pile somewhere. You should put it in plastic right away.
Yeah.
Put it on a stand right away. It's in here somewhere. Here's one. Yeah, you don't want it to be damaged. You're right. Yeah.
There you go, Bobby Orr.
Oh, there's on the above. Yeah, this is actually a base
Do you
card.
think the signature ones are going to be worth millions?
No, not millions. I have no clue how much they're worth. You have to look on eBay and Kijiji, and it's all subjective too. There's the other one. Let's put these in here. Yeah, I'll have to go through them all, and then I'll sort them out, and then we'll make one more quick video, and then you can just splice them together. And you don't need to edit, so we can get it on for everybody really quick. Oh, Connor's got another canvas. Ryan. These are really cool cards. Do they remind you of Tim Hortons? Only maybe, I don't know, better?
These cards are a little bit better than the Tim Hortons ones.
So we'll go through them all, and then I'll
Another canvas.
show them to everybody what we got after I sort them all, so they can know what
Sidney Crosby.
what to trade with.
Oh, Sidney Crosby.
Yeah, so that's a base card, Sidney Crosby. Where's that canvas here? Got some good pictures. Mike Gartney. Another canvas.
Whoops. Another canvas.
Oh, Carey Price. Oh, nice.
Oh, Carey
Another
Price.
Daryl Sittler.
Oh, is this, yeah, PK Subban and canvas. Nice. So I guess they call it canvas because it feels like paper?
It feels like canvas.
Yeah. Feels like canvas like stuff.
Another Phil Esposito. Here's a Carey Price canvas. That's Carey Price.
Oh, cool. You got that in the same pack?
No, two different.
Oh. So Carey Price, I think they call this Opeachy, yeah. And then Carey Price canvas. Nice.
Are we the first ones to get a signature card on film?
I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. There's lots of film, lots of videos. I hope our friend in Winnipeg, I know he bought a few packs.
Why is there a couple in? Oh, those are the signature cards?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at all these cards.
Wow. Well, we got 150 packs times 5. How much is that, Mummy?
Oh, my brain's not functioning tonight, so.
Oh, Connor got the last packs.
What's 150 packs times 5 cards each?
750.
750? 750 cards.
I'm done. Oh, thank you, Connor.
That's it.
Good. So between the three of us, we did this in record time. I'll have to sort them all now, and then I'll film again, but I don't need you for that. And then we can just put them on YouTube for our friends as quickly as possible. All right, so that is 3 cases, 150 packs. We got some very interesting pulls. You know, we only got 1 clear cut out of all that. It must be really hard to get. 2 signature cards, a ton of canvases, and a ton of the other ones, of course, base, and only 1 clear cut.
Wow.
Isn't that weird?
1 pack left.
1 clear cut out of 750 cards. Wow. Will you open up the last pack?
Oh, he's giving it to me.
Okay.
Thank you, Connor. Last one.
Are you done? Oh. Well, you got more in your hand.
They're all nothing.
Yeah, people are complaining that it's hard to open these ones because there's a hole on top of the pack.
They're from the other end.
Nothing.
Okay, so we're going to turn this off for now, and then we'll splice it together after I sort them all, and I can show them all the cards for trading purposes. So please leave comments, let us know which card you need out of the cards that we got here. Okay, see you in a bit. Here's a recap of what 150 packs can buy you. So I've been able to sort all the cards. So out of 750 cards, I believe that's how many cards there are, 150 packs from these 3 boxes. So I sorted them. So as far as the base cards are concerned, I was able to get this pack here represents base set from numbers 1 through 9, and numbers 10 through 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, 90 to 99, and then this set here, this pile here represents 100 to 109. These are the what are they called again? Short prints. Yeah, short prints. So I've got this pile represents, you can see how they go quite high in piles and then go really low. So I'm assuming the short prints mean that they printed far less of those than these ones, for example. I've never heard of short prints before, so if you can explain to me what that means in the comments, because I've seen other people say, oh yeah, that's a short print, oh yeah, that's a short print. It is? Because they don't look much different to me as far as the cards themselves. So I'm just assuming the short prints mean that they've printed less of them. So this represents 110 to 119 and 120 to 129 and 130 to 140. So of the 150 packs, I was able to get every single card from 1 to 100 in the base, and I was able to get most of the short prints. So I got all of the base cards from 1 to 100, and I got most of the short prints base cards except these ones here that are circled. Those are the only ones that I did not get, including Wayne Gretzky, which was number 140. So as far as the inserts, here is the canvas ones that I was able to get. Let's look at the back of them actually. So, if I can do this right, sorry, I'm trying to do this by myself. But basically, for the canvases, I was able to get quite a few actually out of, according to the list, just grab it here. There is 45 team canvas cards. Sorry, it was about to sneeze. And I was able to get all of them, as you can see on this list here, except those ones that are circled. So I believe I got more than half of the cards from the canvas out of the 150 packs. And then they have this. So those are the ones that I didn't get, the circled ones, and the check marks are the ones that I did get in this pile here. And then they have short prints for the canvas ones, and there's only 10 cards, and I was able to get 2 out of 10 from this break. I think that's what you call it, break. So they're quite nice cards. So as far as doubles, you can see I have this guy as a double for Conor McDavid for canvas. Trying to do this on my own is tough. I think in the original video during the opening we showed most of these. It was kind of bedlam. Opening up 150 packs with 4 people. These cards are really cool. So as far as doubles, I'll try and get to those quickly so you can see. So yeah, so we have Drew as a double with canvas, so you can trade him with us. And I believe Ryan is another one. Yeah, so we have Ryan as a double. Getzlaff. That's another double. I think Mike is a double. Yeah, so Mike is a double as well. Mike Bossy in the canvas, so you can trade him with us for another canvas that we might need. These canvas cards, yeah, they feel like heavy duty paper. They're really cool. They did these really well. I've never collected these type of cards before, even when I was young, so really, really cool. Alright, so hopefully you got the doubles there that you saw for the canvas. So as far as the versus ones, we didn't do too well in the clear cuts. I have a funny feeling they're going to be quite hard to collect or pull. Of the verses, these ones here, there's 24 cards, and as you can see on this list, we got all of them except 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we did quite well on the verses. Of the 24 cards that are available in that set, we got all of them out of 150 packs except 5. So as far as doubles, just see. Sorry, this is tough to film and do this at the same time. Let me just see. Okay, so we have him as a double, William Nylander. So we can trade him with you. And we have Roman Josie as a double. So we got 3 of him, so we can trade him for sure. And Leon, that's a double, so we can trade him. Okay, and Vladimir Tarasenko is a double as well, so we can trade him with you. Not Max, Joe, Marion. Oh yeah, so Marion is another one. That's a double. Yep. Okay, and there's Matt Bucarello. He's a double. You can trade him with you. Pavel. Oh, Pavel's a double too. Brett Hall. And Jimu. So he's a double too. There you go. So those are the doubles we have in the verses. So let us know in the comment section if you want to trade those with us. Air to the Ice. We did pretty good on those. Find them here. So of the 20 cards for Air to the Ice, we got most of them, as you can see by the check marks. So we're only missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of, so we got 13 out of 20. Let's see what doubles we got, if any, if I don't remember. Doesn't look like we have too many doubles. I guess they're hard to come by. Oh, there's Max. So Max is a double. Air to the Ice. So we can trade Max with you. Sorry, I'm trying to film and do this at the same time. It's tough. Sorry about that. And then Blake, Shay, because I don't have the camera stabilized. And Sam. Okay, so there's only the two, I believe, that we have to trade for Air to the Ice. And the retros, the O-Pee-Chees, we did pretty good on those too, considering that there's not too many of them. The ones we didn't do too well are the clear cuts, the Phenoms. So for the retros, there's only 12 cards to the retros, and we got all the ones in the check marks. Now, interesting enough, the checklist from the Canadian Tire website says that the Retro 11 is Steve Yserman, and it's actually Mark Messier, which I'll show you in a sec. I don't know if I got any doubles from these. So there's Connor, Mitch Marnie, PK Subban. Oh, I got one double. So there's PK Subban as a double, so let's trade that one with you. And Carey Price, Steven Stamkos, Patrick Roy, Patrick Raw. Oh, also okay, so Patrick's a double as well, so we can trade him with you. And Mark Messier. So Mark Messier is also a double as well, so we're happy to trade that one with you as well. Okay, so that's the retros. And yeah, so Mark Messier, as you can see, it clearly says Retro 11. And yet the list says that Retro 11 is Steve Yserman. So let us know about that. Is that a misprint on the list of cards from Canadian Tire website, or is it something wrong on the card? I doubt it's something wrong on the card. So, finally, to top it off, we have this guy here, Travis, as a clear-cut Team Canada Juniors. That's the only one that we pulled. And those guys are pretty hard to get according to the list, but there's quite a few of them from what I can see. So they have the clear-cut. They have the clear-cut program of excellence. We didn't get any of them, and there's 30 cards. And then they have the clear-cut juniors, and we pulled one of those. And there's only 10 of them in that set. So I'm of the opinion, at least right now, after buying 150 packs, that these clear cuts are hard to come by. So if you get any, as far as I'm concerned, you're pretty lucky. Now, of course, we got 3 signature cards. This one, believe it or not, was buried in with these base cards. We didn't even notice that this signature card was buried inside these base cards. So be very careful when you're opening these guys. Try not to touch them much. So it's amazing what they say here. That's sign of the presence of a company representative and certified that it is the signature of, in this case, Griffin Reinhardt. It's pretty cool. So this one was buried inside a big pile of the base cards. Didn't even realize it until after I started sorting everything through. And so we got this signature card as well. And this one we freaked out on the beginning of the video, as you saw. And this one as well. So we got 3 signature cards out of 150 packs. First time we ever did that. Now, I have this mystery card here. I have no clue what set it's from, because it's not on any list from the Canadian Tire website. It's VSBLD. It's this Leon guy versus Germany. Please let me know what card this is, because I have no clue. The only one that I can figure out that's on the list is this one here. It says insert set versus signatures, but there's no signature on this card. And it's not a black foil, but it says here VS13 with that same player, but I don't see a signature on this. So I have no clue what this card is. What set is this from? So please, if you know, let me know. Where is this card from? What set, and where does it belong? Because I have no clue. Okay, so that's it. I don't know if we're going to buy any more. I have no clue how much these signature cards are worth. I'm going to check on eBay. Colin said they're worth $300 each. He already checked. I don't know if that's correct or not. I don't even know if I want to sell them. We'll see. But still pretty cool to have. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed this. Sorry for the unedited link, but anyways, I wanted you to see what we pulled with 150 packs. Okay, until next time, bye-bye.